I'm turning off my snow sound for now. Press fire to start. What in the world are we doing here? What is this? What are we playing? I don't know what this game is. Snowstorm. I like it. I like that. This is good music. All right. Okay, I'm a dude. Okay. Oh, I'm that dude in the middle. I'm kind of like, oh. Well, not sure what I'm doing. I'm kind of like Pac-Man here. I'm eating this map. But I don't want to free those guys, or I do want to free those guys. Maybe I have so much time to clear this before the snowflakes get me? I don't know. Let's just clear it all out. The button doesn't seem to do much. If I run into these guys, what happens? Oh, I die. Oh, yes, violently. Okay. Oops. Oh, alright, so you can only run into so many of those. Okay, let's start over. I'm here in the beginning. This is like when you wanted to draw something in Atari Surround, and you had to just like sit there and go over every single pixel on the screen. This can't really be what this game is, right? I'm surely missing something. I feel like I'm playing on a 8-bit light bright. I mean, the music is good. As long as I keep eating, I stay yellow, or maybe that's just because it's drawn terribly. It is. No, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe that means something. So I gotta keep going. I mean, I can tell you that I have one level of this game in me. Also, I am... Oh, no. Okay. I'm playing on a USB gamepad, which is my least favorite thing to play. Oh, I see what's going to happen. They're going to block stuff off here if I don't hurry up. My USB level complete. I got you here. So I've got to use some Patreon funds. And people always ask, they say, what do you use your Patreon funds for? Well, let me tell you. In the new year, I've got to do some changes here to the old recording studio. I got to move some stuff around. I got to do some sound deadening. I have to buy a new USB adapter for my joystick. This is all stuff that I got to do for the show. And as Aaron knows, and anybody else that's here that streams knows, I'm sure L. Curtis Boyle, is that expenses come up. Hosting fees come up. Oh no, what are you doing? This gamepad occasionally goes down on its own when I'm just going side to side. Use it all for blow. Blow being blow dryer to protect you from Jack Frost, I think is what you're saying. Oh, I just ran into another one. Okay. Oh, yeah, see, like I can't get to that one now. Oh, yeah, no, I can't. Well, I could. But I don't want to. Oh boy, okay, let's try. See if there's a path. We'll quit running into them. Now there's no path. Now it's game over, my goodness. Well, the problem is that he doesn't share the blow dryer. The blow dryer is all for him. But if I did it faster... I mean, this game is ridiculous. I mean, I get the idea. You're supposed to eat all these before. That's the thing. Is speed is the key, because I don't know what eventually happens, but eventually they will make some of them inaccessible. Who would have thought you could make a game out of Pez? But they... Oh, and I just ran into that. Ran into that one. Can I go on top of me? Yeah, I could get my old body. I got... No, oh, I ran into that one too. There we go. All right. That's true. That's why it's a holiday game, is because we got to eat all the yellow snow. I ain't got nobody, and nobody's got me. Cha 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 cha. As performed by Igor. No, no, no. Alright. Well, this is an interesting little game. Can't say I'll play it again. I mean, nah, would I play that again? If I were dying.